Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you how to get Walmart credit card. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're looking to pick up a Walmart credit card here, the application process looks a little different than it used to. Walmart has completely overhauled its ecosystem by partnering with Synchrony Bank and their dedicated financial app, OnePay. Because of this new setup, the entire experience is fully digital, and you are automatically considered for two different tiers of credit depending on your current credit profile. Now, in this case, how do you first access the actual page or the application page? So the thing with this one is you just need to go ahead and open up the app or the website. So that's walmart.com. Go to the search bar and just type in the following. It's going to be OnePay card and just press enter. Now, this will redirect you to the official page where you are able to see some details about the OnePay Cash Rewards card. Now, in this case, you also have the option to apply for the credit card, as you can see right now. Now, before hitting the Apply Now button, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. Now, to get the green light, or you may want to know here, so for Walmart credit card through the Synchrony Bank and OnePay ecosystem, you have to cross a few baseline legal identity and financial checkpoints. Now, the application system here is fully digital and highly automated, but keeping a few specific requirements in mind will prevent your profile from getting flagged or delayed. So first is you may need to meet the standard age and residency rule. Now you need to be a legal age or a legal resident of the United States, District of Columbia, or Puerto Rico, and you will need a permanent physical address because the bank generally won't ship a physical card to a temporary PO box. So you also must be at least like 18 years old to apply. Through that legal threshold bumps up to like 19 if you live in Alabama or even Nebraska here, and 21 if you are in Mississippi. Now, also, the digital identity verification process is strictly enforced to prevent fraud. So when you fill out the application, you will need to provide your standard social security number, individual taxpayer identification number, and in this case, beyond typing your details, Synchrony uses a secure cross-device verification protocol as well. So you will need a smartphone with a working camera because the platform will prompt you to snap a live, clear photo of a valid government-issued photo ID, like your driver's license, as an example. And also, you may want to take in mind about your credit score here. It determines which of the two cards or card tiers here you actually receive. So if you're aiming for the flagship Cash Rewards mastercard, you can use anywhere globally here. The underwriting here, the system generally looks for a fair to good credit score, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, once you are in this page here, you just need to click on the Apply Now button. Click on Apply Now. This will redirect you to the login page, in which, in this case, if you do log in, you should be able to see the application page, and from then just fill out the necessary details. Like I said, you need to provide your information, your full name. Also, you may need to provide your ID as well. So just follow the on-screen steps, and you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.